Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited to be filming my monthly full face Ipsy products video. So in this video, I'm using all of the products that I got in my December 2019 Ipsy glam bags. I get the regular glam bag, the glam bag plus, and the glam bag ultimate. So I will have all of my unboxings for those in the description down below. I also have already tried out all of these products in full dedicated review videos, so I will have those videos linked in the description down below as well. I love Ipsy and I'm so excited about the products that I have here in front of me. So this is a full face makeup tutorial, but you can probably notice that I already have on a lot of makeup, and that's because I didn't get foundation, concealer, brow products this month. So before I get into the products that I did get this month, I just want to quickly let you know what products I'm already wearing in case you're curious. So I did prime my skin using the primer that I got this month. It's the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. This primer seriously looks so much better without foundation. It completely gets rid of pores. It's like magic. But I did go ahead and just put this on under my foundation. I still think that my foundation looks really good. I'm happy with how my skin is looking, but I don't have any of that shiny glow radiance that I was expecting from this primer. But don't worry, I got some beautiful highlighters this month that will give me that glow that I'm looking for. But then for my foundation, I'm using the Physicians Formula Healthy Skin Foundation. This foundation is so good. It's my go-to right now. And then for concealer, I'm still using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I'm getting low on this, but I love it. I have used, believe it or not, I'm almost out of this. But this is actually a dollar store highlighter that didn't have any highlighting effect, but it's a great setting powder. So that's what I've used to set my face. This, I'm forgetting the name of the brand right now, but I will have all of these products that I'm mentioning right now, my review videos of those, linked in the description down below. So I'll figure out what this product was called and have that down below if you're curious on that. It's so good. It's from the Dollar Tree and I'm using it up completely because it's such a nice powder. And then I did already go ahead and do my eyebrows, and the brow pencil that I'm currently using is the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. And then I set my brows with the Beautinique Fill and Tame Brow Gel. If I'm being honest with you, this brow gel does not last very well throughout the day. It starts to look crusty on my eyebrows, which is not a good look, but it's the only brow gel I have at the moment, so that's what's on my brows. I did already go ahead and prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I put on some mascara. I have to prime my lashes with the Lancome Cils Booster XL Base Mascara. This is probably my bougiest product that I feel like I need, but my lashes are so long these days, and this really helps condition them. And then I've already rubbed off the name, but this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara that is amazing. So that's everything that's on my face already. That's a lot of products, but I wear a lot of products every single day. Okay, but let's get into my Ipsy products for the month of December. I'm first gonna start out by putting on some lip balm because I have such dry lips, especially the corner of my lips today. I woke up and it feels like the corner of my lips are tearing. I know that's gross, but it's painful, so I gotta put on some lip balm, and I'm using the Noya Organic Peppermint Lip Balm. I really like this lip balm, it smells great. I did end up giving James the vanilla one. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to eyes. And I got two eyeshadow products this month. I got the Ipsy Build Your Own Palette, and I got the Pixie by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Mineral Bronze. So I'm going to incorporate both of these eyeshadows into my look today. So here is the Ipsy palette, And we don't have any really colorful products this month, so I'm going to be doing kind of like a neutral brown smoky look. And to start out, I am just going to set my eyelids in that primer with this perfect matte cream shade. This is a perfect setting color for my eyelids. And it's showing up very pigmented too for like a white color. This will make it so that the other colors blend easier on top, and it'll also really make the colors pop since it's giving a very light base. You can put other products, magnetic eyeshadows, into this palette, so I'm definitely going to add some of my other eyeshadows to this. Okay, so now dipping into the Ipsy palette, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and pick up the lighter of the brown shades to work into my crease and towards the brow bone. I have been loving the Ipsy Mesmerizing Duo eyeshadows. They are an amazing formula. This shade, applied with a fluffy brush into the crease, is a perfect transition shade for a smoky brown eye look. And then I'm picking up a smaller eyeshadow brush and dipping into this darker brown shade here. And I'm going to apply that right into the crease, kind of below where I just applied that first transition shade. And then I'm also going to apply this into the outer V and along the lower lash line, but only the outer half of the lower lash line. And then just really blending all of that out. I hadn't tried out these two eyeshadow palettes together yet, but they look really nice together. They're blending together really beautifully. And then picking up the Ipsy palette again, I am going to use my finger because these are really beautiful shimmery shades, and I'm just going to dab that darker brown shade into the outer corner, right on top of that Ipsy brown shade that I just applied. So this is just deepening up the outer V a bit and adding a little bit more shimmer. Blend that in a little bit more. Okay. And then to finish off this smoky eye look, I'm going to pick up it's like a grayish purple shade, and I am just picking that up with my finger and applying that to the rest of the eyelid, so the inner half. This color really pops nicely on top of that base cream shade. I am going to my boyfriend James's rock show tonight, so I think that this smoky eye is perfect for the occasion. I have like a black band shirt of his that I'm wearing, so I think that this will be a good eyeshadow look for my rock and roll type of look tonight. And I'm really liking that gray shade that I just applied all over the lid. So I am going to apply a little bit of that along the lower lash line. All right, so there is my smoky eye look. And to finish off the eye look, I'm just going to line my upper lash line, no wing liner because that doesn't usually come out very well when I do it. And I'm using the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. I feel like that adds some nice enhancement to the eye look. Okay, now it's time to add some color, contour, dimension to my face. So I got the Tarte Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer, and I got the Morphe Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer in 8L. It's the highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to be applying the powders with this Complex Culture contour and blush brush, which is so nice. And to start out, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzing with the Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer. And then I'll do some contouring and highlighting with the Morphe palette. So I like to pick up the bronzer on the angled end and focus that under the cheekbones. I love this formula though, it blends out so nicely. And then I have to apply some bronzer underneath the jawline. And then I do a little bit under my nose and then along the sides to do a little bit of contouring and then just kind of add that bronze sun-kissed color onto my nose as well to make the bronzing look more natural. And then along the top of my forehead, and that really helps add some warmth to the skin tone. I gave the full Tarte Park Avenue Princess face palette to my sister for Christmas and she was really excited about it. And now picking up the Morphe palette, I'm going to pick up some of the shade Enemy here and then add some deeper contour shade here. And then I actually didn't get any blushes this month, so I'm just going to sweep some bronzer onto my cheeks as well. So I'm going to pick up the shade Donut to add some color to my cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to apply some highlighter. I'm so excited. I'm going to use the shade Supernova and Cosmic. And I'm just going to apply these with my finger to the cheekbones to get the full pigment glow. There we go. Now my skin has some pretty radiance to it. And I also got another beautiful highlighter this month. This is from Space Case. It's the Scene from Space highlighter that I got in the shade 1E. And I love this shade. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to use this as my highlighter for my brow bone. And once again, just picking it up with my finger and applying that onto the brow bone. Such a perfect brow bone highlight shade. And then I also am going to use this for the inner corner highlight there. And that'll kind of brighten up the eyes a little bit. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit more of this, but just in the center to add a little extra pop of light to the cheekbones. I love this highlighter. Just add some along the bridge of my nose too while I'm at it. Okay, so while I'm using beautiful shimmery products, I'm going to use a little bit of my Too Faced Kissable Body Shimmer. I don't really have any body showing today, but I still want to use a little bit of this because I just think it's so pretty. So I'm just going to pick up that same contour brush, pick up a tiny bit of product, and sweep that across my cheeks as well. Since I'm not wearing a blush and I'm doing more of like a bronzy cheek, add a little extra shimmer there. Oh, so beautiful and glowy. Oh, this smells so good. So even though my primer didn't give me any shimmer or radiance to the skin, I feel like my skin is looking so beautifully shimmery and radiant now. Let me just go ahead and, I'm like loving this shimmer. I'm gonna dust any excess powder all over and really enhance that glow. I like it. Okay, and now that I'm liking how my makeup is looking, my complexion is looking, I'm going to spray it and set it in place so that it stays like this all night through the entire rock concert. And so I'm using the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. I love the smell of this, how light of a mist it is on my face. And I am just gonna pick up my mascara again and touch up my mascara since the eyeshadows kind of got on the mascara and took away the black color. And this mascara is so beautifully buildable. Okay, and then the last thing missing from my makeup look is lips. I got 3 lip products here. So I will start out by lining my lips with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. Okay, lips are lined, and I love this Morphe red lipstick, but I think for my smoky eye look today, the eyes are pretty bold, so I'm not gonna add a bold lip. I'm gonna go in with the Fluid liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Bar. Still a somewhat bold lip, beautiful color, but I think it'll just go with my smoky eye look a little bit better. Oh, this lipstick smells so good. It smells like buttery sugar cookie. Oh, wow, now I'm hungry. I really like this shade with the lip liner. Okay, and then I'll take this hair down for the finished look. Oh, this came together so well. I am really happy with how all of these products performed. I think this is a great going out look. It's festive, it could work for New Year's, but I think it's gonna be great for going to a concert tonight. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.